Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the for each method in JavaScript. The for each method executes a provided function once for each element in an array in ascending index order. Let's look at some examples to see why we need a for each method. In this example, you can see that I have a regular for loop that loops over our array using the common index variable method, whereas in case of for each loop, no such index variable is created or used. Instead, a callback function is used on our array which does the job of pushing all elements of one array to another array. In the second example, I've created a class to demonstrate the use of the second parameter of the for each method, that is, this argument. So the class includes a function called addElements that takes an array as an input, and this function adds elements to an array supplied as a parameter. As you can see in the function addElements, that this keyword is used in the parameter of the for each method, and it ties its this argument with the class's this argument. And then the code simply returns the sum of the elements when used. Well, that's it for this video. Bye.